When we were preparing to welcome 2020, somewhere in the world a virus was spreading its wings. By March, it was declared a global pandemic.
And by the alarming levels of inaction. We have therefore made the assessment that COVID-19 can be characterized as a pandemic.
With India facing the rapid increase in cases, the government of India had to take some serious actions and a long nationwide lockdown was announced.
आज एक महत्वपूर्ण निर्णय करने जा रहा है। आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है।
It affected rich and poor alike. Everything was shut. Our health givers are working round the clock till date to serve the country and protect against the virus. Dentistry is one of the most high-risk professions in relation to COVID-19. In the unlikely event of pain, providing dental care to our patients during the lockdown, dental professionals at KB Dental Clinic, Delhi are taking necessary steps to protect their patients and themselves. To minimize the risk, KB Dental Delhi is following specifications based on scientific research and WHO guidelines. Telephone and video screening for all is done. Non-emergent dental care is avoided. Teledentistry and virtual consultations are done to assess the patient's dental conditions. They are advised to wear a face mask when entering the facility and will undergo screening for fever and symptoms associated with COVID-19. Everyone, including dentists, staff, are screened daily. Steps are taken to ensure that respiratory hygiene, cough etiquette, and hand hygiene are followed inside the clinic. Visual alerts, example signs and posters at the entrance and strategic places like waiting areas, break rooms, doping rooms are posted. Alcohol-based hand rub with 70% alcohol and antiviral and antibacterial tissue wipes are provided and used by all. Patients are asked to fill a detailed medical history form, COVID-19 screening questionnaire, and an assessment of an emergency is done. Based on the information provided, KB Dental Delhi makes a clinical decision whether to treat or defer the treatment in line with the issued guidelines. Virus can remain in the air or on inanimate surfaces in the room temperature. Therefore, we make sure to disinfect all the surfaces and fumigate the facility with antiviral disinfectant. We follow a 6-step sterilization protocol to prevent cross-infection. Equipments like high-vac extraoral suction, the indoor air purifying system, dental chair and handpieces with anti-retraction valves, UV light chambers are used. A continuous supply of personal protective equipment is maintained. We ask to do a pre-procedural mouth rinse with 0.2% povidone iodine or chlorhexidine as it might reduce the viral load in saliva. We also use impressionless digital imaging to avoid the gag or cough reflex that may occur while impression making. We at KB Dental are adhering to all the COVID-19 safety precautions to serve you by maintaining a 30 to 45 minute gap between the appointments. Right from the time you enter and the time you leave, there won't be a moment of doubt regarding your safety and hygiene.